Okay, here we are getting ready to go on the Jurassic Jungle boat ride. We all have our new shirts.
Yes.
Kitty, fashioning her new shirt. Mary, very excited, first timer. Yeah. Sarah, season pro. And Gail, first timer.
First timer.
And Jen,
Camerawoman.
been on it before. So excited.
Whoa. What?
There it is.
Listen up because
Our boat ride awaits. Okay, it was a dark and stormy night. And we decided to go into the Jurassic jungle. Save me! Save me! Katie, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh my god, me too.
Yes.
I hope it doesn't rain inside.
I don't know. It is a jungle. Are you kidding us? We're all fake right now.
Here we go. The first people with shirts. Those are some teeth. Oh my god, we're gonna hit the door. No, we're gonna hit it.
Oh, we're traveling back in time. Traveling back in time.
I think we're going too fast.
Time warp. Save us! Save us!
Aw, so precious. Don't eat it. Oh my god.
Oh, it's true.
Oh, it's not light enough up there. Oh, here they come.
Aw, our little friend. Oh, look, there's eyes.
The lighting's better this time.
Yeah, I think so too.
No, it's touchy.
His fingers are gone.
Oh no, what is that? Oh my god.
What is this?
Oh no.
Oh, okay. Oh, is he still broken?
He's so menacing.
I think he's gonna barf.